Hey, ambitious learners! Have you ever wondered how some people seem to effortlessly excel in various areas of life? The truth is, they've tapped into the power of deliberate practice, the art of intentional and focused skill development. Today, we're going to break down the step-by-step process to help you unlock your true potential and become a master in no time. So, let's embark on this incredible journey together. Step 1. Define your skill and set clear goals. The first crucial step is to identify the skill you want to master and set specific, measurable goals. By defining your skill and outlining your desired outcomes, you create a roadmap that keeps you focused and motivated throughout the journey. Step 2. Build a solid foundation. Before diving into practice, it's essential to establish a strong foundation. This includes researching and studying the fundamental principles, techniques, and best practices related to your skill. Embrace a growth mindset, where failures are seen as learning opportunities, and seek guidance from experts or mentors in the field. Step 3. Embrace deliberate practice. The heart of skill mastery lies in deliberate practice. This means engaging in focused, structured, and purposeful practice sessions. Break down your skill into manageable chunks, identify specific areas for improvement, and set aside dedicated practice time each day. Remember, quality practice trumps quantity. Step 4. Stay consistent and persistent. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is mastery. Consistency is key. Commit to regular practice sessions, even on days when motivation wavers. Over time, small daily efforts accumulate and create profound transformations. Embrace the process and stay persistent in your pursuit of excellence. Step 5. Seek feedback and iterate. Feedback is a vital component of skill development. Be open to constructive criticism and seek feedback from knowledgeable individuals. Analyze your performance, identify areas for improvement, and adjust your practice accordingly. Iteration is essential to refine your technique and continuously progress. If you are enjoying the video, please consider subscribing to our channel. It will mean a lot to us. Step 6. Embrace experimentation and innovation. True mastery involves pushing boundaries and thinking outside the box. Don't be afraid to experiment, explore alternative approaches, and embrace innovation. This creative mindset allows you to discover unique strategies that set you apart and propel your skill to new heights. Step 7. Visualize success and cultivate a winning mindset. The power of visualization is extraordinary. Picture yourself performing at your best, achieving your goals, and overcoming challenges. Cultivate a positive, growth-oriented mindset and banish self-doubt. Believe in your ability to master the skill and stay resilient in the face of obstacles. Step 8. Stay accountable and find support. Surround yourself with a supportive community or an accountability partner who shares your passion for growth. Share your progress, celebrate milestones, and hold each other accountable. Having a support system ensures you stay motivated and inspired throughout your skill mastery journey. There you have it. The blueprint to unlock your true potential and master any skill in just 30 days. By following these steps and adopting a growth mindset, you can achieve remarkable transformations in your life. Remember, it's not about innate talent. It's about deliberate practice, consistency, and a burning desire to become the best version of yourself. I hope this video has ignited the fire within you to embark on your own skill mastery journey. Remember, greatness awaits those who dare to push their limits. Together, we can unlock our true potential and make our dreams a reality. Keep striving, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next empowering episode. Stay awesome. Thanks for watching. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of ambitious learners.